Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. All right, so for your AppSumo Monday Madness, we have a couple of tools that's come back, right? We still have a couple of tools still hanging out. Let's get right into it. Persona is here. I have Persona. Let's go back to this. I have Persona. Let me tell you the details on this one. What Persona did was Persona added, I think they added another tier. So they did add, I think I had tier 2. They added another tier, which gave you some AI searches and 3 on-demand stem generations per day. Not really sure what that is. I think you can do some dynamic searches with that, or music you can put together with that. I'm gonna need to go back and look at what that is. And SuiteDash, obviously, SuiteDash is back. You guys know I'm a fan favorite of SuiteDash. I think SuiteDash has been able to give you a balance of they've been able to survive, and I that's what I love about them, because they've been very nimble. They've been able to survive. Their platform's gotten a little bit faster. If you want the complete e-commerce type of dashboard for your clients, I own maybe 4 SuiteDashes. There's a concept that I have with owning SuiteDash. It's way beyond the scope of this video, but I have lots of videos on SuiteDash. That is a fan favorite of mine. It's a fan favorite of my coaching clients as well. Love SuiteDash. There's a price going to be increasing on September 18th, which is in a couple of weeks. So you might want to get in on it now. So SuiteDash, I got to tell you, it's probably one of my top 5 tools on AppSumo ever. And I own a lot of tools. So what I wanted to get into and what I wanted to share with you is another tool. I call it Viloud. I think it's Viloud. I don't know. I keep calling it Viloud, but I own this tool as well. I purchased it maybe 2 years ago. Yeah, maybe almost 3 years ago. But so they only really had, I think they had once upon a time, they only had tier 3. It only went to tier 3. I mean, there are 3 codes. Now there's 10 freaking codes. And I think what they did is, as you'll notice, most of the codes, the major changes, all the codes still stay at 10 websites with custom domains. The minutes increase at every code. So if tier 4, you still get 10 websites, unlimited channels, everything stays the same. And then I think you get more viewing minutes and more storage minutes at each code increase. Yeah, so then you get 1,200 minutes and you get 40,000. So they're increasing by 10. And then, but here, the storage minutes here increased here. So they increased by 300 minutes here. So the real change, right? And here's what you need to grab with this, right? And this is a solid freaking tool, right? This is very well built, but this is for serious builders, right? Of this TV station. So what you get here is on tier 10 or code 10, right? Everybody's like, oh, I want to get in business. I want to get in business. I want to start my own business. This is your chance, because you can create your own, I'm not going to say YouTube competitor, but you can create your own TV station. Seriously. And so the FAST, I think what the FAST stands for, and I was doing some research on what FAST stands for. It stands for, what is it? Free. Let me get that right. It stands for free ad supported TV. It's what it is. Free ad supported TV channel. So, and then the SCTE 35 ad markers, those are where it allows you to do your own automatic inserts of the commercials. So it's a little bit advanced technology. You get that. So you can, if you want to run this and run full ads on, if you want to run a full TV station, and with channels, right, 24/7, this is by far, I mean, so if you want to do YouTube without YouTube and you want to run your own stuff and you still want to run ads, you still can do ads monetization. You still can run that over it. But if you want to run your own customized TV commercials, right now, you're getting into big boy business, right? And if you did this, you could actually, you'd make $9.90 back in a heartbeat. And what that cost, just so you'll see, that's not even available. You have to ask for custom. You have to ask, or if you go to their website, you have to ask for, let me pull that up here. 1 second. Yeah, so if you pull that up on their station, on their own channel, so you got to think that, $199. Let's do the math on that real quick. I don't want to insult your intelligence, and we don't want to be here that long. Times 12. So if you paid for their premium plan, I think all of them give you premium. That's $2,388 a year, right? For the premium, you're getting elements of their enterprise solution. You're getting all this in their enterprise solution. And you can see the ad markers, server side, insertion, and all that other stuff. So you don't get unlimited channels. Actually, I think, do you get unlimited channels? What do you get? I think you do get, oh yeah, you do get unlimited channels. It's just the custom domains that you have to be aware of. And really you can run 50 customize. If you could basically run an agency with 50 different websites if you wanted to. This is a business in a box. And what I got to tell you is, it's not really, I haven't used mine like I wanted to, but the way I ran mine is I ran it, and I think I did a short video on it. I think you should find that link up above. And I kind of just walked you through some of the things that I was doing with it. I haven't used it in a while because I'm concentrating a lot on my radio stuff. It's easier to produce. It's easier to get out there. But I did run a short demo, and I explained to people how it works. So again, what I will tell you is this is a very, very, very well built platform. That's what I'm going to tell you. So right here, this is the video that I did on it. So if you come there, I think I did that video on it. I think I may have did another video on it. There's Doc right there. He did a video on it. So again, if you want to check it out, use my link below. But that's what's going on in the Monday Madness here. I don't see anything else. True Conversions is always there. True Conversions is like, it does heat maps when people come to your website. It kind of helps you know where people are clicking. Light code, like 2 lines of code, put that on there. Other than that, I don't really see anything else here that jumped off the screen as far as Madness. SuiteDash and Viloud. Hey, this has been Jenny Jones with your AppSumo Monday Madness. Have a good week. Enjoy. Goodbye for now.